So, I've been asked to make a gift for somebody. It's a men's ring, it can be a band or a signet ring, whatever I like. I've said yes to it, but I've only got a couple of weeks to do it, and I'm only really free to do it this weekend. So I've got to I think I'll make a nice classic band. Just gonna pack the mold. So you put the impression into the sand and gently take it out, coat it with something like baby powder or flour or something that will sort of help the edges not bind to each other. Then you put the top on. And you gently pack the other side in. Temper it down. Then you're going to gently take out the sand where you're going to pour your silver or your metal into through the top, make like a funnel, then press it back together. Turn on the gas. Oh no, I'm empty. I'll just quickly whip down to the shop, get a new bottle. Pour in the sterling silver. Cut them off. Place all the extra silver into a container. Put the ring on the little mini lathe. I haven't really used this mill for this before, but I thought, it'd be fun to try it out. getting close to the sizes I want to get to. I'm going to stamp on the inside the little sterling silver logo, which is 925. Stands for 92.5% solid silver, and then the other percentages, the alloys that's mixed in. And it's good to go. Subscribe to more videos like this, where I take bursts of ideas and make them into things.